Shooting the pier is when you go under the pier as you're on the wave and try not to hit the pillars.
The pilings are far enough apart where you could drive a truck through them, but it gets a little bit tricky to navigate when you're going 25, 30 miles an hour. It can be dangerous, and people have died doing it, and people have died by hitting pilings, and even guys that have got a lot of experience, you just miscalculate one little thing and suddenly you're face to face with cement.
If you do a Rio last minute, you got to be like ready to adjust for the pier, and then also like barrel, same thing. You got to know you got to give yourself that little bit of time just to exit out and negotiate the pylons, because they come at you pretty quick, like quicker than you think.
I didn't notice that Charlie Martin was duck diving, so he let out a little yelp, and then I realized I'm jumping headfirst into a piling here. This is so gnarly.
I don't know, you just go for it and hope for the best. Like, it's scary, but you got to find a line.
Adam Melling broke his board on the pier, blew all of his fins out, broke his board in 2 spots. If you're trying to get barreled and you're coming out and you're 2 feet from the pier, you're kind of still blindsided, so when you come out, you're like freaked out.
You're almost better off just thinking less maneuvers than what you feel like you might be able to squeeze in, because before you know it, you're zigzagging through those pylons.
I'm still looking out for that. I'm still watching like every wave, making sure that they're making it out the other end or they come back out from the other side.